Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple electromagnet and explain how an electromagnet works. So I have right here an iron nail, a magnet wire or insulated copper wire, electrical tape, 9-volt battery, ballpoint pen, and let's assemble it together. Let's get started. First thing what you want to do is take your ballpoint pen, remove the ink part, cut a little slit in the top of the pen, and that way it makes it a little easier to wind the wire together. There we go, you just take the wire and just wind it tightly. Keep your thumb on it to prevent it from unspooling, but just keep winding and winding and winding. The more winds you have, the stronger the magnetic field would become. So now I'm going to keep winding. Now what I'm going to do is I put a little bit of hot glue on the top of the wire, shaved off the insulation, taped the bottom, and now I'm going to go and stick this iron nail through the core. You could wrap this wire directly on the nail, but I prefer to do it this way because it allows the windings to be more even and just better. Plus you can use it on other stuff. So now let's go ahead and test it out. Polarity doesn't matter. You can use positive, negative, negative, or positive on the wires. It doesn't matter. So now let's go ahead and connect it. And there you have it. The electromagnet works. Now, what would make it stronger is if you used a stronger power source. So you could put like maybe a 12-volt battery and it would make it stronger. Or if you put more windings, it would make it stronger. How this works is by taking the copper wire and forming it into a coil or solenoid, which can make a magnetic field. By applying current down the wire causes electrons to flow down the wire or up the wire, depending on which polarity of the battery you touch the wires on, which the solenoid alone is not strong enough to pick up the paper clips, but if you add a ferromagnetic material such as the iron nail, the iron atoms have their own magnetic field which cancels each other out. But when you wrap a copper wire around it, it makes the iron atoms align in the direction of the current, which then creates a north and south pole of the electromagnet. By adding two magnetic fields of the iron and the solenoid, it makes the magnetic field stronger, which in conclusion makes a strong electromagnet. But be careful, the wires can get very hot, which then it might melt the plastic. So only turn on the magnet when you use it, and it will be better if you were to wrap the wires around the iron nail instead. So yeah, there you have it, your own homemade electromagnet. Thank you for watching SciTech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more SciTech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.